that I will be and place arrangements of the calendar that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Uganda, so help me God.
To the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
Swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I will give faithful service.
Njagala okutwala omukisa guno okubategeeza nti enguudo zigenda kukyukira ddala. Bino ebibadde bikwata byayita kitulakita n'ayisaamu n'agamba nti bannaaye mmaze tukoze, wallahi togenda biraba ku mulembe gwa Kangagge.
Emmere tebagituwadde, emmere tetulidde, emmere ya enyalemu, balonda mba enyalemu. Balinze ffe tugende bajjule emmere, tugenze enjala tetulidde emmere.
The Constitution, the Republic of Uganda, of Uganda, as by law established, that he will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that he will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Uganda, so help me God.
Hi, Bakumbadewo. Swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and
I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Uganda, so help me God.
District ye Kasanda Service Commission nga yafuukanga supermarket wosanga nga buli kintu kiriko omuwendo price tag ti omusawo muwendo bwe guti, parish chief muwendo bwe guti, si mu bukulembeze bwange bikoma leero.
PDM abantu bafuna emitwalo 6, abantu bafuna emitwalo 7. Tubadde tusaba ebyo bikome.
The name of Almighty God, so as Solomon affirmed that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, present, protect and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
to the Council and support, uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established.
In the name of the right Almighty God, somebody, but I will give successful this council support and upload Constitution of the Republic of Uganda by law established, so help me God.
President nga bwe yatutegeeza teri kwebaka. Ensonga ziri bbiri, corruption n'obutali n'okulaba nti abantu baffe tukola ekyo kye tulina okukola. So nkubiriza buli